As a mom with 2 kids, a cat and a dog, I had almost accepted that my floors would never be clean again. My feet would always come away sticky or sandy from the latest food spill, muddy paw prints, or clumps of pet hair. I tried my best to vacuum and mop as often as I could, but frankly, between working, parenting, cooking, and the other 99 things on my to-do list, something like vigorously mopping my floors for the third time in a week did not seem as appealing as clean floors did. So it became more of a distant dream instead of an attainable reality. Until, of course, I stumbled across the Yeedi Pro C12 vacuum and mop combo. This is not your grandma's Roomba. It's a 2025 powerhouse disguised as a budget-friendly sidekick, clocking in under $400 on Amazon. From the moment I unboxed it, I liked its design. It was compact enough to slide under furniture, and with that bagless self-emptying station that promised 7 weeks of hand-free dust duty, I was hooked. After using it for a couple weeks, I've really appreciated the clear dustbin. Not only is it satisfying to see how much dust and hair it picks up, but it helps me to know when I need to empty it. Setting it up was surprisingly easy. It involved a very straightforward app download, a quick Wi-Fi sync, and boom, suddenly the true mapping kicked in, learning my layout way faster than I could make lunch for my toddler. I hit start and watched it glide with 8,000 PA of raw suction power, and I actually had a moment, like, wait, someone else is actually doing the vacuuming and mopping for me? My least favorite chore? And all I had to do was press a button? Thanks to its zero tangle V-shaped brush, there are little to no tangles, which means no more manual rescues. And the Osmo Pro 2.0 Vibrating Mop is the game changer. Where other mops just slide across the surface, the vibrating element in this one is basically the equivalent of putting elbow grease into the mopping. It scrubs hardwood and tile with 480 vibrations per minute, leaving 0 streaks. Watch how it handles this caked on honey and who knows what concoction, courtesy of my kids, on my kitchen floor. Using my regular mop, I couldn't even get this stuff off. I thought I'd have to go at it with a toothbrush. But was it a problem for the Yeedi Pro? Nope. Plus, I can customize zones for the kitchen high traffic nightmare. I'm looking at you, area under the high chair. Battery life, up to 300 minutes on a single charge, covering my 1,700 square foot chaos without breaking a sweat. The 4-stage filtration traps 99.97% of allergens, so my allergies finally got a break. Plus, you can integrate it with Alexa. It navigated toys and cords like a pro, and it avoided the usual robot rage quits. After a week, my floors were transformed. Yes, it missed a couple crumbs here and there, but frankly, so do I when I'm mopping for the 4th time that week. So yes, after a week I noticed a huge transformation in my floors, but even more so in my schedule. 3 hours at least I have back to do whatever I want. I have already been recommending it to all of my friends and family that they're getting a little bit sick of me, but I'm going to recommend it to you too. It didn't just clean my house, it reclaimed a little bit of my sanity. All I'm saying is, effortless clean is not some idealistic dream, even if you have kids or pets, or a husband that never takes off his shoes. It's just finding the right tool for it, and the Yeedi C12 Pro Plus is that tool to bridge the gap between clean enough and clean always.